Hello, dear Gemini. This is Natalia from the channel In God's Abundance. This is your February reading with the cards from the angels. I will be using the deck from Doreen Virtue, Healing with the Angels. It looks like this. And I will also be using an additional oracle deck from Barbara Mikkel-John Free, Sacred Sites Oracle Cards. This will be an additional message at the end. So, the first three cards from the angel deck of Doreen Virtue. The first card I drew for you is the card Truth. This card represents that you are guided to be very honest in your doing, very honest. The angels are saying let go of everything that is not genuine and stop with all the activities which do not reflect your highest purpose. So if you are doing something, I don't know, negative, maybe you know what you are doing that is maybe it is negative, then you must stop doing that. Negative can be accusing yourself of something, not being honest with yourself, not being honest to others, being, I don't know, jealous, being, because emotions are negative and emotions are not the truth if you are negative. Because you are not in negativity, you are in the light because you are God's child. So, when we open our hands and let go of an unhealthy situation, maybe you are in an unhealthy situation with someone, only then can divine light enter. And when we let go of the difficult circumstances, there are always miracles that happen. So, the next card you have are miracles. So, when you let go of the how do you say that you are untruthful to yourself or to others, then miracles happen. Okay, so next card, miracles. There are happening miracles right now all around you, so start to notice them, and then you will get even more miracles. So you are expecting a miracle. Maybe you feel that you need one right now because you don't see another way out if you are in a difficult situation. Be open and let God to help you solve your challenges and problems in a way that will surprise you. Because you open the door to miracles when you are willing to let God deal with your fear. Okay? Be open to the miracle that is coming your way. So, you must be truthful to yourself, truthful to others. Don't be in a negative state and know that God is blessing you with a miracle that is certainly coming. Okay? And the next card we have is the card Focus. In this card, it is very necessary for you to keep an eye on your thoughts. Thoughts create reality. They create reality in every minute, and we don't understand that. But we must step into ourselves and we must say to ourselves, I won't be negative. I will think only positive thoughts. Negative people won't affect me, won't affect my thinking, my doing. Okay? Because if you are willing to listen to God and willing to say, I am a positive person, miracles will happen in my life, are happening in my life right now. You will be truthful to yourself. You will be truthful to God, to the angels, and this reflects to all the people around you. So you can expect a miracle when your thoughts are in the right pattern. Okay. So an additional card for you I drew. This is from the Oracle deck. This is the card Mount Tai. This card, Mount Tai, represents the energy focus of the card is achievement. So certainly you must achieve something, and I think this is with your thought pattern to be positive and uplifting. The location of this card, I will put it here in the middle. I hope that doesn't bother you, so you will be able to see it more. This is Kuan Yin, an ascended master at the top of the hill, and this is the sign Yin and Yang, white and black, right and good, however do you want it, and there's a dragon behind it. Okay, so this card has three meanings. It has one meaning for the past, one for the present, and one for the future. So let me say more about your past. You must ask yourself, what have you learned about duality? Because yin and yang represents duality. If we only listen to one version of a story, our life is imbalanced. There are no right or wrong elements. How do you perceive the energy of the dragon of which the Taijito is placed? Taijito is yin and yang. So how do you perceive this energy of the dragon that is behind the yin and yang symbol? To advance spiritually, you must understand the concept of yin and yang and bring your world into balance. So, I am sure you are out of balance in your thought system because of this card focus and of the card truth. You are not truthful to yourself or to others, and you aren't focusing on your thought process. You must only think of positive, uplifting thoughts, okay? You must believe in yourself, believe in your God, that the miracles are on your way, the miracles of solving any situation you are in or any issue, okay? So the present of this card, yin and yang, represents that you have to ask yourself, have you had a clear run up the mountain or taken a meandering path to explore different teachings along the way? Have your journey been hard and painful, or are you still waiting at the bottom wondering what the point is? Now is the chance to investigate why your life may appear difficult sometimes. Are you willing to seek a different perspective? You have a choice. You can walk up the path that the feet of many others have created, or start your own route and feel the incredible sense of achievement when you reach the summit your own way. So this is another confirmation what this reading is all about. The present situation of this card tells you clearly, if you walk in shoes of others, so this means in the perspective of how they think, how they act, if you take their energy on yourself, then you will be in this state without moving forward. But if you say, I'm going to move forward, I won't be like others, I will be a positive example for others, I will believe in myself, I will achieve this. This is the way you must go, okay? Not negativity. Because when you change your thought process, then miracles happen because you align with the energies of the universe. And everything good comes to you when you expect good and think good and do good, okay? This is a very, very powerful thing to know in your life. Okay? So, the future of this card represents that you ask yourself again, when did you last ask the gods and goddess for help? When did you last call upon your ancestors or spirit guides? Most people are too proud to do so. So, have you called God or someone for help? Have you trusted in a higher being or in divine? If not so, if you're too proud, then you're how do you say, you're bad, okay? You must be in a state of well-being with God and everything that surrounds you, because everything is energy, okay? And you must not be proud to ask someone for help. On the path of the enlightenment, you will be offered the opportunity to let go all of your burdens, so that when you reach the top, you are free of everything that has been weighing you down. A blessed and welcome achievement. So only if you do this, here is an additional prayer to Kuan Yin. She is an ascended master, and I will post this prayer in another video, so you can do it separately. This prayer will help you not to be so proud of yourself, not to ask anyone for help, but to ask Kuan Yin for help, because she will help you to heal and show you how to free yourself from a painful heart and teach you compassion. Wherever you are on your spiritual journey, look as you are climbing a sacred mountain, and you will see Kuan Yin smiling, encouraging you to keep going. Okay, so this exercise for calling Kuan Yin is truly an amazing one, and I recommend you do it. So check out the video that I will post additionally for you, Gemini. Okay, so this is a wonderful reading. Hope you enjoyed it. You must work on yourself, because a miracle is going to happen in your life, but this miracle will happen sooner if you change your thought process and be truthful to yourself and not live in others' shoes. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.